Good morning, chefs. Today we prepare very interesting dish. Again, 360 degrees dietary requirements, gluten-free, lactose-free, vegan. It's a gluten-free baked pasta with a soya lentil ragu and a vegan bechamel that will be paired with a very tasty tomato sauce. The regeneration is very easy. The tomato sauce can go directly into hot water just to be warmed up. And for the pasta, you will have to open the bag. This operation can be done from +3, from fridge temperature, or from the freezer. It will be only longer the period you stay into the microwave oven. Now I'm working from frozen, so I will put on a dish my product and will go into the microwave oven for 6 to 10 minutes in different steps. The first steps will be of 3 minutes, 2 times, to start to defrost, and then you will have to go waves of 30 seconds, controlling with the thermometer that you arrive at 65 degrees at the core. If it's defrost, it will take 3 minutes from one wave to be at 65 degrees. I start to heat up and then we will see. Now that you have heated up your pasta, and to be sure that you are at the right temperature, there is only one way. Control with the thermometer. You must be more than 65 degrees as we are now. It's important not only for the temperature of service, but also for hygienic reasons. You can finally plate into the cocotte you have been provided with for the service of that specific dish. I've already prepared here the plate. You will use your cocotte like that on the blue napkin. You will have your sauce, which has weighted into the water. There is no problem at all for her to stay into the water until the moment of the service. And you will put the sauce into the cocotte like that. Complete the dish with the vegan and gluten-free and lactose-free muffin, and you will go in service with a mixed salad that you can prepare before. Remember to use the dressing always at the last minute, not to cook your salad. She must stay very crunchy until the moment of the service. The quantity of dressing is 3 spoons, and here you have gluten-free pasta with his sauce and the muffin, and the salad as a side. Thank you, chefs.